गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि।
Hello everyone, welcome back to Science Gully. I'm back with another innovative idea for day 5. Today I'm going to display a smart home with smoke detector. This home has a safety feature against fire. So for example, if there's a fire in the house, the smoke fumes will be detected by the smoke detector and it will give an alarm. This feature is very important to protect damage to human life and property because of fire. For this project, I have used smoke detector which detects the smoke fumes and gives signal to LED and the buzzer in case of fire. Now let us have a look at the materials required. The materials required are smoke detector sensor, Arduino Uno R3 board, breadboard, piezo buzzer, LED and some connecting wires. Now let's have a look at the connections. Connect the analog output pin of the sensor to A0 pin of Arduino. And ground and VCC have to be connected to ground and 5 volt of Arduino. For the buzzer, connect the positive terminal to pin number 9 of Arduino and ground to ground. For LED, connect the positive terminal of the LED to pin number 13 of Arduino and negative terminal to ground. Now let's upload the program. I have made a beautiful setup of a smart home in the 𝖵𝖙𝖈𝖍𝖎𝖓𝖌 with kitchen and dining. Now let's go and check our sensor there.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि।
I hope you've enjoyed today's video. This smart feature can also be used in homes, hospitals, offices and factories. I'll be back with another interesting decoration idea for day 6. Until we meet, bye-bye.